A 105-hour road trip? Count me in! Imagine driving on a highway that stretches across a mind-blowing 4,860 miles, which is close to 8,000 kilometers, from one end of Canada to the other. So driving at about 50 miles an hour would take you 105 hours to cover the highway. The Trans-Canada Highway is the ultimate adventure route that passes through not one, not two, but 3 provinces. That's like collecting all the stamps in your travel passport in one epic road trip. And along the way, you'll stumble upon charming small towns, each with its own quirky charm. Did you know that it took a whopping 21 years to build? That's like a lifetime of construction cones and detours. Imagine the dedication and perseverance it took to connect this vast nation. From the snow-capped peaks of the Rockies to the charming coastal towns of the Maritimes, hats off to the builders who made this wild dream a reality. But let's not forget the jaw-dropping sights you'll encounter along the way. Get your cameras ready for some serious Instagram-worthy moments, my friends. From the stunning turquoise lakes of Banff National Park to the breathtaking cliffs of Cape Breton, the Trans-Canada Highway is a visual feast. And don't even get me started on the wildlife. Keep an eye out for moose, bears, and maybe even a friendly Sasquatch waving from the trees. Who knows, right? Let's talk about the maple leaf, eh? This little beauty has been Canada's symbol since the 1800s, and it's totally iconic. But did you know that it wasn't until February 15th, 1965 that Canada got its own flag with the glorious maple leaf front and center? That's a century without any country symbol and a national flag. But why the maple leaf? The maple tree itself holds a special place in Canadian history and culture. Its vibrant foliage transforms the landscapes into a breathtaking display of colors during the autumn season, captivating the hearts of all who witness it. The maple tree also plays a vital role in Canada's natural heritage, with its sap being used to produce the sweet and delicious maple syrup that is synonymous with the Canadian cuisine. In 2017, Canadians came together to celebrate the nation's 150th birthday in an unforgettable way. One remarkable event took place on Grouse Mountain in British Columbia, where 1,589 people formed a gigantic human maple leaf. It was a powerful symbol of unity, pride, and pure Canadian awesomeness. Canada sure knows how to break records. In celebration of Canada's 150th anniversary, over 3,000 participants took part in the world's largest scavenger hunt. They completed 150 tasks throughout Ottawa, posting more than 31,000 images on Instagram with the tag #Find150. Now that's what we call an epic adventure. Coming to why do we celebrate Canada Day? It was the year 1867, and the provinces of Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia were like puzzle pieces waiting to be connected. The visionaries of the time saw the potential in joining forces and forming a united front. They dreamed of a country that would be stronger together, where people could live in harmony and build a prosperous future. And so, on that fateful day, the Dominion of Canada was born. Canada Day is a time we come together to honor Canada's heritage, celebrate their cultural mosaic, and embrace the values of unity, freedom, and inclusivity. Join us on Behind the Date as we uncover extraordinary stories, embark on thrilling adventures, and celebrate the spirit of unity, freedom, and pure Canadian awesomeness. Happy Canada Day, everyone. Keep exploring, keep embracing, and keep spreading the love.